I want to see you trick-or-treating. Go.
I'm going to send it to Grandma. So go knock on the door.
Last one for you, and then it's my turn.
Okay, Ryan, what do you say? Knock, knock. You got to ring the bell, Ryan, or knock on the door. Okay, Ryan, just one. They're coming. Just wait, they're coming.
You got Dance the Western. Yep, this is Jack-o'-lantern because
Right.
it's like cup.
What do you say, guys?
Trick or treat! Happy Halloween!
You having fun?
Yeah. What do you say, Morgan?
Happy Halloween!
Or thank you.
Thank you.
Red.
A water flag. Push it. That's it.
Great Grandma. Hi.
You a butterfly?
Yeah.
Yes, exactly a butterfly.
Very good. Say Morgan.
Happy Halloween!
Wait till she comes back. Are you going to go up? Are you going to get a trick or treat, Ryan?
You're a pretty butterfly.
Yeah.
What do you
You
say,
are
Morgan?
a pretty butterfly.
Yeah.
Thank you. You're not
Happy
going to go up, Ryan?
Halloween!
Okay. Let's keep going.
Bye.
Thank you.
He wants.
He's a doctor.
He's a doctor.
Here.
Come on.
All right, go, Ryan.
Is it recording? Oh,
Yeah.
Come on.
Look at the butterfly.
Is it on video? Oh. Yes.
So that we can show it to Grandma and Papa.
Look how big my shadow is. Someone gonna come out? Oh, I already see someone. I just see someone that's sitting down.
Ring the doorbell again. Oh.
That's sneaky.
What do you say?
Trick or treat. Happy Halloween. Hey, hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi, hello.
Wow, what do you
Bye.
say?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Got you. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Oh, Ryan, turn around.
Oh, thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
I think that's Happy Halloween.
I'm coming.
I can't lantern.
Ooh, spooky. Whoa!
Trick or treat. Happy Halloween. Jump for me, please. Jump for me too. The spice.
You're a doctor.
Yeah, these are all for me.
Wow, what do you say, Ryan?
Okay, are you a butterfly?
What do you say?
Yeah, excellent. Can I put it in there for you?
Say thank you,
Oh,
Ryan.
you're almost full, aren't you?
Thank you. My fortune telling table. Okay.
It's a pretty good haul. How was that for the trick-or-treating? Like trick-or-treating, Morgan?
You're supposed to be putting your toys away, not sharing us. Have a lot of work to do before
Like trick-or-treating, Ryan?
Trick or treat. Happy Halloween.
Say it again, honey.
Happy Halloween.
Woo!